Fall is a season like no other in the world of style. As the air turns crisp and the landscape takes on tones of gold, amber, and rust, fashion truly comes into its own. There is a unique opportunity to blend comfort, luxury, and heritage, especially if you love the timeless, old money aesthetic. Fall is a chance to layer sumptuous fabrics, to work with deeper colors, and to make every piece count in the most subtle, sophisticated way. What sets the old money look apart isn't the label visible on the inside of your coat or the cost of a handbag. It's about intention, the way you assemble each element and let quality, restraint, and time-honored combinations do the talking. Even with a modest wardrobe, you can create a look that is endlessly refined and quietly luxurious, simply by focusing on the right pairings, impeccable tailoring, and restrained details. Let's explore 9 expensive-looking old money outfits for Fall 2025, each crafted to be both achievable and stunning, no matter your age or budget. Each ensemble brings together elegance, tradition, and a spirit of modern femininity. Here's how to look truly expensive this season. Outfit 1. Camel coat and cream ensemble. The pairing of camel and cream is the very definition of autumnal sophistication. Start with cream trousers, ideally well-tailored, with a gentle wide or straight leg that glides over the body. Cream pants work beautifully in fall, lightening your palette, but keeping things seasonal when paired with the right textures above. Add a cream cashmere sweater, a wool blend turtleneck, or a soft knit crew. The harmony of this monochrome base instantly elongates the body and sets a serene foundation for the centerpiece. The camel coat. Your camel coat is the cornerstone of old money outerwear. Choose a knee or calf-length wrap style in wool or a wool cashmere blend. It shouldn't be too fitted nor too loose, just enough to sweep open or belt softly at the waist. The subtle structure frames your silhouette, adds quiet drama, and radiates refinement. These coats have graced refined wardrobes for decades. They are never loud or trendy, but their sophistication is unmistakable. For footwear, select brown leather loafers or elegant ankle boots in tan. When every tone in your look comes from the same warm family, head-to-toe harmony is inevitable. If the mood calls for something dressier, reach for low-heeled pumps in beige or blush. Accentuate the warmth of your palette with a tan leather tote or a cream-structured handbag. Jewelry should always whisper, never shout. A delicate gold bangle or small pearl studs are perfect. What sets this outfit apart is pure restraint. The softness of cream, the richness of camel, and the subtle glow of gold communicate quiet luxury. This is elegance that reflects the golden leaves and grounded warmth of the season. Wear it to brunch, to the office, for museum afternoons or candlelit dinners. It's a uniform for life's finest fall moments, and a true testament that timelessness never fades. Outfit 2. Layers of navy and gray. As camel and cream capture autumn's glow, navy and gray bring a cooler sophistication. This elegant pairing is ideal for city walks, workplaces, or evening gatherings, where you seek poise without excess formality. Begin with perfectly tailored gray wool trousers. The right fit not too tight, not too loose, instantly signals polish and confidence. Pair the trousers with a navy knit, a fine merino sweater, or a cashmere turtleneck. The interplay of deep blue and steel gray feels quietly powerful and inherently refined. Depending on the weather and your setting, top with a navy blazer or a long architectural gray coat. Each evokes decades of sartorial legacy, echoing the traditions of boardrooms and British tailors. Shoes should mirror the outfit's refinement. Black loafers with a gentle shine, polished ankle boots, or slender navy pumps all work impeccably. Accessories remain minimal and sharp. A black leather bag with clean lines, a structured top handle or classic tote, and jewelry in understated silver or steel. A slim watch, a thin chain, or minimalist studs add just the right touch. This look is a study in contrast between warmth and coolness, softness and authority. Navy and gray are not showy, but together they exude depth and composure, a palette that suggests libraries lined with old books, iconic campuses, and timeless professionalism. Stick to matte wool, cashmere, or rich cottons for texture. It's a powerful signal. Elegance lies in nuance, not noise. Outfit 3. Equestrian-inspired ensemble. Few ensembles embody old money fall like those inspired by equestrian style. It's less about literal riding gear and more about referencing heritage through thoughtful details. Begin with slim, tailored riding-style trousers or tan pants, structured to skim the body. Top with a crisp white shirt or subtle merino knit. Add a tailored blazer in tweed, deep green, navy, or rich chocolate brown. The trick is to balance trousers' sleekness with the blazer's texture. Tall leather boots in brown or black instantly evoke riding heritage while staying city chic. Select a structured bag in brown or burgundy, echoing saddle leather and equestrian luxury. For a dash of femininity, a silk scarf draped at the neck or loosely knotted will do. Jewelry is minimal, gold hoop earrings, a signet ring, or even a family crest on a pin if you have one. Equestrian style's expense comes from tradition, practicality, and restraint. There's no flash, just the visual language of private clubs, heritage estates, and tradition. These pieces communicate history and ease. They work for autumn walks, cafe mornings, or meetings alike. Avoid synthetic blends and opt for natural, durable materials. When you dress with equestrian undertones, you're never actually dressing for the stable. You're just signaling that you could, with elegance and ease. Outfit 4, Black and Cream Classic. For those occasions that call for crispness, the contrast of black and cream is both powerful and endlessly sophisticated. Start with cream trousers or a structured midi skirt. Add a fitted black turtleneck or silk blouse. This stark division is what transforms simple pieces into something elevated and expensive-looking. Outerwear offers two approaches: a cream coat over the ensemble for a brighter contemporary lift, or a long black coat for noir drama. Complete the look with black boots or loafers and a structured bag. Favor gold jewelry for added warmth, but keep it minimal. A single chain or studs are enough. What's remarkable is the interplay between softness and strength. Cream prevents black from looking harsh, and black gives cream its authority. Mastering the balance of these two makes a statement in any setting: gallery openings, boardrooms, or twilight dinners. Opt for natural matte fabrics. Avoid shine and synthetic fibers. It is a visual formula that never dates. Outfit 5. Burgundy and Charcoal. Burgundy is fall's most luxurious color, evocative of vintage wine, autumn leaves, and academic tradition. Its richness pairs best with the grounding power of charcoal. Begin with charcoal wool trousers or a structured skirt. Pair with a deep burgundy cashmere sweater or blouse. For outerwear, alternate between a charcoal coat for cohesion or a burgundy topper for drama, never both equally. Shoes stay dark black, or burgundy loafers or boots work best. Accessories continue the theme: a black or burgundy bag, gold jewelry for warmth, or silver for coolness. Wool, cashmere, and heavy cottons bring out the richness of these hues. Understated, deep, and elegant burgundy and charcoal are a lesson in looking powerful without excess. Outfit 6. Forest Green and Beige. Rooted in English countryside tradition, yet fit for the city, forest green and beige create a palette that's rich but never heavy. Start with tailored beige trousers or a structured midi skirt. Add a finely knit forest green turtleneck or cashmere sweater. Layer with a beige coat for softness, or a green one to let the jewel tone dominate. Shoes brown leather boots or loafers. Tie the look to its earthy foundation. Accessories, too, are restrained. Brown handbags, gold jewelry, and perhaps a muted silk scarf in similar tones. The secret is in the fabric's wool, cotton, cashmere, and the careful balance of richness and ease. The result is an ensemble equally at home in city streets and autumn woods. Outfit 7. All black monochrome. The power of all black lies in restraint and detail. Start with sharply tailored black trousers or a midi wool skirt. Add a contrasting black top cashmere with wool, silk with cotton to create subtle depth. Finish with a long black coat for instant polish. Footwear should remain sleek and faultless polished boots, loafers, or pumps in the same deep black. Accessories are minimal. A structured black leather bag and a glint of gold or silver jewelry for contrast. Ensure your fabrics are matte and natural. Avoid synthetic shine at all costs. What sets this look apart is discipline. Proper fit and spot-cleaned, well-pressed pieces communicate not just style, but care. In fall's shadowed daylight, all black reads as strong, sophisticated, and self-assured. Outfit 8. Cream and brown layers. Cream and brown pairings channel understated luxury and seasonal harmony. Begin with well-cut cream trousers or a midi skirt as your base. Add a rich brown cashmere pullover or a silk blouse for depth. Layer with a camel or warm brown coat textures are key, so play with knits, wool, and cashmere for multidimensional appeal. Shoes in tan or deep brown connect the outfit from head to toe. A soft brown or cream bag completes the look, and gold jewelry adds warmth. A silk scarf in browns and creams lends subtle polish. The real beauty comes from blending and layering these gentle tones, creating an effect as soft as the first autumn light. With the right textures and quality, cream and brown are the quietest signals of luxury. Outfit 9. Gray and ivory refined. For a look that whispers rather than shouts, combine gray and ivory. Start with tailored ivory wool trousers or a flowing ivory midi skirt. Add a soft gray turtleneck or neat crew neck sweater, tucked in for a clean line. Outerwear can shift the mood, a gray coat for composure, or an ivory one for brightness. Footwear works best in dove gray or taupe, blending softly into the look. Accessories: a serene gray or ivory bag, pearls, or silver jewelry. This delicate balance speaks volumes about restraint and sophistication. Gray and ivory offer softness and clarity, especially in the soft morning or evening light of autumn. Each of these 9 elegant outfits proves it's not about the price tag, but about discernment and taste. When you choose timeless combinations, quality fabrics, and perfect tailoring, you send a clear signal. Your style is built on confidence and heritage, not fleeting trends. Fall 2025 is the season to embrace rich colors, classic lines, and the subtle art of layers. Make every outfit intentional and let your elegance become your legacy. Enduring elegance, where timeless style is always in season.